everyone, welcome to Cash Budget Retiree. This is where I love to stuff my cash into envelopes so I can save money toward my personal finance goals. You guys are in the right place, folks. We are doing 2 for 1 again. Excuse me, again today. We're doing our collaboration Wednesday and our month ahead on Thursday. We each have each binder's got $50. We are going to work each separately. So I will put the Thursdays behind, and let's make sure we are in frame. Looks pretty good to me. There we go. Okay, now let me help you with what I am doing. Here's my paper clips. Somebody told me to paper clip the money together as a way to display, and that's one way I'm going to do it. Once in a while, you'll see those paper clips as I work on my binders and such. All right, our collaborations today. We have our, our Road to 1K collab, and we have our Spring collab. Our Road to 1K, we are going to go ahead and try to keep our, the amount of rolling less so that you can see both binders in one. $3 is for mine. Whoopsie daisy, hold on a minute. The Road to 1K collab. It's got myself, it's got Dragonfly Saves and Miss Nikki, it's got Midge at Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting, and it's got On with Craft and Budget with On. Let's make sure, yes, you can see those all right. I think I will move that up just a little. Okay, this, I'm sorry, goes there. All right, we are set now, organized finally. All right, let's go. Sunshine, $4. Nikki with Dragonfly Saves, $3. On with Craft and Budget with On, $2. The Spring collab, myself, 2. Teacher Mom Budgets, Miss Laura gets 1. Windmill Ridge Budgets and More, that is Susan. Wow, Susan. $6 for you, dear darling. And Sarah, at Sarah Saves 07, gets 5. Let's go ahead, let's go backwards this time. 1, 2, 3, 4 for Sarah. Susan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Laura at Teacher Mom Budgets, 4. Myself, what do I have here? Let's see, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to give the Road to 1K $2 each, and let's see who gets the last $2. All right, we have, let's go here. On gets 2 more. You know what? I'm going to give On another one. She didn't get too many. Nikki with Dragonfly Saves, you get 2 more. Sunshine gets 2 more. I get 2 more, and let's see, now we do have 2 more again. Let's see, I know this is going to my emergency fund. One of these, I'll just give it to Sunshine, and what's Nikki helping me save for? Bear with me. You are helping me save, oh shoot, I didn't write it down. Oh yes, I did, Dental. I'll just give it to Dental. All right, we will look at the others in a moment, and then we'll fill out the trackers. Maybe I could do that now, but you know what? I'm on a roll. Okay, I made a note to myself. Remember, I deposited all the cash in the bank, so now I only have $5 in each envelope, and the prop money that shows where they're not fully funded. Okay, now here's the deal. I am fully funded with meds. I am fully funded with hair and toiletries. You know what? This should have $5, not singles. Let me put this aside. I know, let's see. You know what? I'm going to keep it simple and I can change it out later. All right, so each gets $5 for each week. However, there was 5 for meds, 5 for hair, and now toiletries gets another 5 for hair. Here, I definitely need the $5 bills. That's all right. 5 that would have been for meds, 5 that would have been for hair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that is this week for toiletries. So that has 15. Then we have subscriptions gets 5, gifts gets 5. So all the rest of these get 5. Water, then we have gas and electric, and I know what's going to happen because I don't have $80 here, I only have 50, but this is what I'll do. I've got 5s left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for internet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for cell phone. All right, let's do this. Okay. Okay. We need auto insurance to get 5. We need medical insurance to get 5. And look at this. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for groceries. I'm going to have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for emergency fund. And I owe 5 for rent. Do I have another $5 bill? I hope I do. I hope I do. Tell you what I have. I have a 10. Let's go back to the first one, toiletries. I already put the money away. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Oh, it would have been good if this was done right the first time. So 10 and 15 goes into toiletries. I'll put that here. I shouldn't have put it in there. Then rent will get the $5. Okay. Now, and off camera, I'm going to switch those singles out for $5 bills because I did have that planned. I don't know why. Meant to ask you guys, how do you like my May? It's fabric that I put over my cushy desk mat because I want to change once in a while. So I kind of thinking I might change for the seasons. Anyway, so, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now this is what I'm going to do. Oh, let's show you in the collaborations. Stand up here and make it close up. As of May 7th, Sunshine and Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting has 3 more subscribers. She's at 960. Nikki has 7 more subscribers this week. She's at 922. On Craft and Budget with On, she's stayed the same at 984. Sarah at Sarah Saves 07, she stayed the same. Well, she might have a couple more, but it's saying 1,080 some. And so she might have a couple more than what she had last week, but it doesn't tell me how many. Okay, Laura at Teach Your Mom Budgets she's gone up 20 subscribers. She went from 805 to 825. Good job, Laura. Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets and More. She went from 1.45 thousand to 1.46 thousand. So 10 or more subscribers this last week. I went from 1,112 to 1,123. I increased my subscriber count 11. So let's put this in here, get this ready. Now I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I have decided that, let me show you. Here is the category I'm saving for in this envelope. This I am just going to hold the totals until the very end of the month, and then I will just count it and put it here. That way these trackers stay, you know, in decent shape. It's a little neater. All right, so I've got 5. I'm just going to leave that there. At the end of the month, I will count it up, because if I'm going to try to do 2 videos in one each, you know, only because it takes up a lot of my time and I need the family time. Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting, it's the same thing. She is helping me save for medical. And this week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is saving toward medical so far. And all right. Then we have, with Nikki at Dragonfly Saves, Nikki, you are helping me save for dental. I prioritized what I thought was the most important, and this is what I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for dental. And I keep changing where I'm putting these. I don't know. The brain does its thing. I've taken out most of the prop money in all my binders only because I wanted to, you know, I've got like emergency fund in several binders. So if I say, you know, this is what I have for emergency fund, well, it might not be accurate because I got, throughout the month, I saved different binders for emergency fund. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, craft and budget with On. You're helping me save for auto deductible. Okay. Then we have our spring collab, $2 for what I'm saving for in this month, and that is auto repairs. Okay, then we have our next category, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $5 that Laura at Teacher Mom Budgets is helping me save, and you are helping me save for taxes. Okay, Miss Laura, thank you very much. Then we have Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. You're helping me save for CD ladder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I love it. All right, folks, $11 for my CD. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, I only get a little excited when I when I save for my CD. Okay, Sarah at Sarah Saves 07. You are helping me. That's hers earlier, and I'm going to probably start using those after a while. Okay, Sarah, you're helping me save for printer ink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Good deal, good deal. All right. So now that collab is done. It helps to go a little faster so that you don't have to be bored out of your mind. And I want to try to, okay, this is my month ahead binder, and we already know that everything got $5 except toiletries, which got $15. And you know what I'm saving for because it's on the front cover. So I'm not going to go through all that, but I will off camera make sure I've got $5 in each of those and condense where it might be appropriate. Other than that, folks, I'm trying to keep it simple. So live well, laugh often, love much, and I hope you win a prize in my giveaway. Tomorrow is the giveaway reveal, I guess, as to who's going to get what and who won the prizes. So, oh my goodness, I'm excited. All right, thanks for watching, folks. I appreciate all of you. Bye. Oh, live well, laugh often, and love much. Bye.